Okay, today we want to do a little exercise to show how we could make a little application to make different homework for all our students. So let's go into my hard drive and let's create a folder that we will call test students, and from here let's go in the address bar and press CMD code to start using Visual Code. From here let's create a new file that we will call test for students.py, and we're gonna need from random import rand range. We will check it later, and you know it has a start and a stop and an eventual interval, and this choose a random item from a range start stop step, and yeah, step is optional, and this fixes the problem with randint, which includes the endpoint. In Python this is usual, not what you want, so randrange is better than randint in Pythonic kind of way. So now we are going to do our text. This is what we are going to ask the students to do. So we are going to ask him from our data competitors quality and prices are okay. Let's say we talk about hotel Ha as a quality 3, price 3. Hotel B got the same. This doesn't matter, we just wanted to finish soon. Hotel C just the same, and Hotel D2, why not? It won't take us much more time. And our targets are in the clients are families. They want quality 3 and price 3. Then we have business target, and we have also a young. These are single and not married and so on. And for the same, now after you positioned the competitors and clients, position your new hotel in this market. Okay, this is what students must do. Let's create a different homework for everyone or them. So first of all, we are going to define randomness function, in which we will have this list, and for v in range, let's see, 24, these are the students. We will have at the end, this will return a list. we will have a run range of -5, 5. This means that the quality, the prices, and everything will have this range from -5, -4, -3, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. And then this at the end will return this list. So now we are going to do this. We are going to